This is so comforting. Nothing beats a hot and delicious shrimp wonton soup. Chop your shrimps until it's like a paste. Then transfer into a mixing bowl. Then add soy sauce, mirin, sesame oil, chicken powder, grated garlic and ginger, black pepper, cornstarch, and I added spring onions at the end. Nakalimutan ko kasi. It's so easy to wrap the wontons. Just follow what I'm doing. Don't forget to wet and seal the edges properly para hindi lumabas yung filling. Wet and connect the edges like this to form the wonton shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's the beauty of home cooking. Blanch your vegetables for about 20 seconds. I use pechay because that's what I have sa ref. Look at our shrimp wontons. Cook it for about 3 minutes. Then set aside for toppings later. I love Hong Kong style noodles and I was able to buy some sa Asian grocery store. Since 4 kaming kakain, I used 4 servings. I just boiled it for 1 minute, then drain and set aside. For the wonton soup, I used 8 cups of chicken broth, spring onions, garlic and ginger, soy sauce, then let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Once done, scoop out the spring onions, garlic and ginger para clean yung broth natin. This is so easy to prepare and sure hit sa buong family. Put the noodles in a bowl, then assemble the topping. Be generous sa paglagay ng soup kasi ito yung masarap higupin habang mainit. Don't forget to garnish with some spring onions on top before serving. Look at this delicious bowl of soup. You can also enjoy this with lots of chili oil on top. Sarap, no?